4th day here in Japan. And kanina nag-jog ako ng 6 kilometers. Pumunta ako sa park. Pakita ko na lang yung TikTok.
Shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah.
Ngayon, pupunta kami sa malayong lugar, Kamakura. Pakita ko yung outfit later. Jog ako with my new ASIC. Hello, so this... So cute. It's green and blue. COS bubble bag. It's already 9 a.m. Carry sweat! Because I jogged kanina and I feel like I'm still thirsty. I feel like yung ions ko... Ay, nasa Shinjuku na pala kami. Station? Papuntang Kamakura Station. Which is 2 hours away from Ogikubo kung saan kami nagsistay.
Meanwhile,
Here at Kamakura Station, mas mag-bus kami. Malayo to Malayo to from Tokyo. Malayo to from Ogikubo. 2 hours travel. 2-hour travel. Tapos, grabe, as in commute lang. Like, so easy. It's so easy. I love Japan for being so convenient, easy, efficient, punctual, everything. Sana ganito sa lahat. Sana ganito sa buong mundo. Nasa Delhi friends kami ngayon kasi nagka-crave si Daddy. At birthday niya. Happy birthday, Daddy. Wow.
Sige na, bumili na kumuha na kayo naman.
Ay, patikim. Ay, huwag tayo. Basta. Sarap? Patikim.
Labas. Ano ko yung labas?
From Delhi friends? Oo. Delhi friends? Bakit saan ba to? Saan ba meron na to?
Wala.
Hindi ko nga alam yun eh. Here at Hokokuji Temple. Happy birthday, Daddy. Cute. Cute outfit. What are you giving?
Ticket.
Siya bumili lahat niyan. Wow. Shit. Wow, so beautiful. Ganda. Parang?
Engineered yung... Pero tunay yan. Walang ginawa dito.
Look at the cave. Wow! Wait. And our ticket, meron kaming free. Syempre binili din namin to. Free tea ticket. Dito namin kukunin yung tea namin. Wow. That's the tea.
Really nice.
Really nice.
Hindi siya bitter.
Wow.
Baka bitter lang.
Wow. Okay, let me try to. It's the cookie. A cookie given with the green tea. What cookie is that? Now the green tea. Tapos ang view natin ay, that's the view. Wow!
a few moments later.
Kain kami dito ng lunch. Wow. Kain tayo mamaya. Okay, after almost 45 minutes, nakakuha na rin kami ng upuan.
Nakailan sa naghintay?
45. Tama, 45. Hot?
Okay.
Cool.
お待たせいたしました。アサリの大名でございます。
O, gin.
お熱くなっていますので、お気をつけください。
Ayun. Ayun. Lagyan mo na wasak. Ano yung wasak? Ayun. Green tea. Yung green tea. Ay, ano tayo dito?
We are done eating and yan lahat ng plates na nakain namin. Kano kaya? O ayan o. Lahat na yan eh. Di ba?
4,000 lang dito to.
Your current food. Ayun, bibilangin pa lang.
Ayan sa loob yan.
Yan yung doon lang in-order.
Yan o, here at Comanche Street. Cutie! Ooh, cinnamon roll. Hide. Fruits. Premium orange. Try mo, Daddy.
Nag-try na.
Free taste. Ano kami? Sarap?
Keep, one.
Dried plum. Tikman mo lang to. Go.
Tamis. Ay, hindi. Ginger.
Hindi kami hinintay. Bumili mag-isa. Kain ko to. Malaglag. Gusto ko lang yung ice cream. Ganda naman ng middle walk. Hindi siya sidewalk. It's in between roads. Sidewalk that is in the middle. Pedestrian walk. Ganda. Ay, sige. Maglalakad tayo kunyari. How was it? How was my walk? So, ibang train na to, ibang klaseng train kasi pupunta kami ng
Island.
island.
Anong island?
Enoshima. What? Enoshima. Enoshima Island. So we are taking the bus to the beach. We took a train, then we're now on the bus para makapunta sa beach. Pero wala kaming panligo. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Ayan na. Okay, look at the people. So many! Siyempre, nasa ano tayo? Wow. We're here now in Enoshima.
We're on the island.
The island of Enoshima. Okay, let's keep left. Uy, may Jisoo Life sa likod ko. First time ko lang yun makita. First time ko lang marinig ng isang Jisoo Life dito sa Japan. Okay, ito na yung Island Temple ba to? Shrine Temple. Beautiful. Entrance. Look at the view. Yeah, that's so ganda. Ganda. So may nagpa-picture sa akin na Filipino with his girlfriend.
Nice.
Okay, look at the sun. It's almost sunset. And we're hiking. Natatawa ko kasi si Daddy parang hindi ata siya prepared. Parang pagod na si Daddy. We're kind of hiking right now. Nag-jog ako kanina. So, nakaka-21,000 steps na ako today. I jogged, di ba, 6 km kanina. Now, we're walking again. Siyempre, walk lang ng walk, especially if you're traveling. Because what else are you going to do? Di ba? See the world with your own feet. Okay, guys, saan ba tayo pupunta ngayon? Oh, there! Oh my gosh, wow! Wait, hindi niyo pa makita masyado. The view doesn't give justice to it. My point of view in the camera doesn't yet give justice. Daddy, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Napagod ka.
Pagod na. Birthday to, kapaguran.
Eh kasi sabi mo, ayaw mo sa Tokyo, ayaw mo sa city. Ayan, dinala ka sa beach. Nag-hiking pa kami. Wow. Look at the beach. Ang hirap ng ano. Kapag ganito, no? Ibang format kasi, nag-vlog ako for YouTube and nag-vlog ako for like reels, ganyan. So, dala-dalawa ang aking binablog. So, dala-dala yung kamay ko. Okay? Okay. Here, how this formed, how this was formed, and kung saan to ginamit, syempre. Grabe, basang-basa na yung mukha ko ng oil and lagkit. Kasi ang lagkit ko na din talaga. Whew. Ano yan, ate? Gwendolyn Aiko. Aikiko. May pangalan ng anak mo, Akiko. What's that? Whoa, you'll get. Arigatou gozaimasu. A candlelight. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. So, atay ka pong malakpak. Wait lang, may videohan kita. Wala pa tayong picture. Yes. Now we're here sa may shore. Oh! Ba yan? Eh, nasa shore na kami! Wow! Oh my gosh! Eso na! Naalala niyo yun? Yung kay Eso na yung... Pero dito, Korea. This is not... Wala na yung ano nila. Ano yung island nila? Si Eso na. Kilala niyo ba yun? Kilala niyo yan, kaya niyan. Daddy. Hi.
Kapoy-kapoy na.
Hawakan ko yung ano. I will check the waters of Japan. Wait. We may crab. Okay lang, malamig. Saktong lamig lang. Sarap maligo. Mami, maligo ka na. Okay.